welcome to the Kendra Studio YouTube channel, where we discuss all things in online business, entrepreneurship, and personal development. Today, we'll be covering the top 8 Instagram hashtag strategies for beginners in 2020. In fact, these are the exact same strategies that I use to grow my Instagram following about 100 plus followers per month. Be sure to stick around the end because I'll also give you a bonus tip that you don't want to miss. So you're probably thinking, why listen to Kendra? Who is she? What does she know? Well, because I all know too well what is involved in starting and maintaining successful Instagram accounts. Let's see what else I have for you. And basically with all of those Instagram accounts, like I increased all of the reach, the engagement, all of the metrics that matter to actually growing the brand, making money, adding value to people's lives. I made sure that increased through our reach and engagement on Instagram. So I also found all these things out by testing on my personal accounts. And so I know what works and I know what doesn't work. And I always say success leaves clues, struggle leaves clues. So you choose. So let's get started. Hashtags one-on-one. Strategy 1. Use up to 30 hashtags in your post and up to 10 in your stories. Think of it as a lottery. You want more tickets so you can win, right? Simple. Number 2, again, model success by researching hashtags and your competitors to see what they're using, what's working for them. Study it, tweak it, and then use it. Okay. All right, number 3, ensure your hashtags are relevant to what is in the photo. Make it specific. You want to make sure that your hashtags are depicting what's in the photo. So if you have a picture of a tree and there's no child around, you should not use child hashtag. However, if you have a picture of a tree and a child is in the photo, you definitely can. And that leads me to strategy number 4, which is to use a variety of topics and categories to reach different audiences. So let's go back to my example of the tree and the child. All right, so if you do a bunch of hashtags regarding trees, greenery, nature, that's a topic, that's a bucket. You could do one with children, kids playing, those types of things. That will be one bucket. So then you could have all these different categories in one post and you can reach a variety of different audiences that way. Strategy number 5 would be to hide your hashtags when you're putting them in stories. You can hide them under stickers. You can push them off to the side. What you want to do is make sure that it doesn't look, you don't want your story to look junky. You want it to look professional. You want it to look clear. You want to get people to where you're going. All right, so strategy number 5 is, number 6 actually. Use Instagram's search feature to discover similar hashtags. So you can go in and search for different hashtags, and when you do that, others will pop up and you can click on those, and those are different hashtags. And you want to use the ones that are closest to the top and are closest, because that means that they're used more widely. You want to make sure that you look at those. Really important, because you don't want to make a hashtag up that no one's following. All right? All right, so we are now at strategy number 7, which is to save hashtags in your phone's app for future use. This is going to save you so much time. I cannot express this enough. You want to save your time. So the easiest way to do that is to have all of your buckets, all of your hashtag lists in your Notes app. Simple. because then you can just copy and paste it. I want to also note that you should switch it up. Don't keep them the same all the time. And comment below. Let me know if you've done this before. Please, do you have a list of in your notes app of all the hashtags that you use? I'd love to know. We are now at strategy number 8. And this is the question. Hashtags. Put them in the comments or the captions. And I'll give you the answer for that. It really doesn't matter. I mean, I don't even know if y'all are waiting on something, but it doesn't matter. It's completely up to you. Personal preference. So it's up to you. I switch it up sometimes. It doesn't make a difference when it comes to reach and engagement at all. And, I said I was going to give you guys a bonus. The bonus number 1 would be to follow hashtags. I said earlier that you could look at the hashtags in the search feature / function. However, you can click on those hashtags and follow them. In doing so, you can reach other people that are within your field or your niche, and then you can research them, you can work with them, partner with them, communicate with them. I mean, it's a great way to find leads and to get more information on your industry. So I liken hashtags to keywords. Do your research. And let's see. Another thing about that is that this opens up a great opportunity for you to regularly appear in your followers' feed. So you can have a branded hashtag for your business. Mine is hashtag the Kendra Studio. And then if people follow that hashtag, they'll be able to see my posts more regularly. So it's definitely beneficial. All right. So if you found this post helpful, please save it and like it, If you think a friend could benefit from these Instagram tips, definitely send it to them, all right? And if you're looking for more information specifically about hashtags, you can definitely check out my blog post that I have regarding the top 300 hashtags for female entrepreneurs. And if there's any other strategies or tips that you'd like to add, please comment below. I love to test out new ones, and I want to hear if you tried out any of these and how they're working for you. Would love to know. So thank you so much for your time. I'll be coming on regularly to provide value-based information for small business owners, online business owners, content creators, entrepreneurs, you name it. All right. So thank you so much for your time. Please subscribe so that you can see more tips on getting your business to